Hello, my name is Nat and today I'm here to talk about the best substitutes for meat, a powerful and natural report that will help you to have a healthy and cruelty-free diet. I imagine that if you're here watching this video review, it's because you're looking for more information about this report. So pay attention and I'll explain everything to you. I'm here to share very important information about the best substitutes for meat that can help you before you buy this report. But I have a very important warning for you. Buy from the official website so you don't have a mistake, and to help you, I left the link to the official website of the best substitutes for meat here in the video description. This report is very worthwhile because you will have all the best combinations of essential amino acids in your hand so that you can have the right amount of daily protein. This is an online product that you will receive as soon as you make the payment. You have a 60-day guarantee to try the best substitutes for meat. I've been without eating meat for 2 years, and I often wondered if I was eating well or if that option was enough to guarantee the protein my body needs. I recommend the best substitutes for meat because you will save time and eat better by understanding the best food combinations. This is the best way for you to stop eating meat and have enough vitamins and proteins for your health. There are several options that I was unaware of, and today it helps me a lot to have a healthy diet. This is a great option for those who are starting to stop eating meat and even for those who are already vegetarian, as it helps us understand and make our daily lives easier. You should not stop eating meat alone and replace it with industrialized products, putting your health at risk. The best way is to have a guide to help you, and I was surprised and recommend the best substitutes for meat. Test it and then tell me what you think. The official link is in the video description. See ya!